I actually prefer this to Baccarat Rouge. Honestly, this is the one. Hi guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back. Today's video is all about 5 of my favorite beast mode fragrances. These perfumes are absolute beast mode in every possible way. Longevity, sillage, projection, they're just 10 out of 10. Let's get into the fragrances. Number 5, we have Goldfield and Banks Silky Woods. This is your ultimate smoky vanilla fragrance. Super sexy, super indulgent. It's warm, it's cozy. It has woodiness, but in a very soft, gentle kind of way. It's not densely woody. It's very light, airy, almost magical. It's so beautiful and so powerful. Beyond everything, it's a beast of a fragrance. Notes in this, you have agar wood, cinnamon, there's tobacco leaves, ylang ylang, vanilla, sandalwood, and incense. And what's so beautiful about this is it has a very subtle creaminess that I think is coming from that ylang ylang in there. It's got the subtle cinnamon note, and you have that gorgeous sandalwood and incense that just brings this very smoky, mysterious touch to this perfume. It's warm, it's cozy, super luxurious feeling, and it is so bold and powerful. It's a beast fragrance. This leaves an amazing scent trail. You are going to be smelt so bad with this fragrance. Not bad in a bad way, you're going to be smelt so bad in a good way. It just stands out. You will stand out with this fragrance. It's beast mode. It lingers on everything. Absolutely stunning. Goldfield and Banks Silky Woods. Coming in at number 4 is my absolutely stunning Armani Privee Magenta Tanzanite. This is so beautiful. Oh, it's a fragrance that is just absolute perfection. Oh, it's spectacular, honestly. Wow, so beautifully blended. It's spicy, it's a little creamy, it's sweet, it's almost edible. It smells so yummy. Sexy. It's an elevated fragrance. It's alluring. I absolutely am addicted to this. It's so beautiful. You have notes of cardamom, ginger and cinnamon in the top. In the mid you have coffee and myrrh, and in the base you have tobacco and vanilla. If you love your fragrances sweet with a hint of spice, you would not be disappointed with this. It is a standout, gorgeous fragrance, and it's actually made a few of my other fragrances redundant at the moment because I'm reaching for this a lot. An amazing fragrance that is absolute beastly. That's Armani Privee's Magenta Tanzanite. Number 3 is Matiere Premier's Santal Austral. If you enjoy a gorgeous sandalwood fragrance, this is not going to let you down, I promise. It's so beautiful, seductive sandalwood. It's very beautiful. You have iris, which is why this fragrance has this elegant, beautiful powderiness. It is very cocooning, it's very cozy. It makes you feel like hugging the person wearing it. It's very inviting. You have iris, sandalwood, benzoin and tonka bean in this fragrance, and it is just a hug in a bottle. It brings comfort, it brings security, it just makes you feel safe, cozy, warm and loved. That sounds proper cheesy, but no, it honestly is a very cozy scent, and it just is, even though it's cozy and it's very cocooning, it still has a beautiful, sensual kind of touch to it. Very alluring, definitely unisex, definitely beast mode. This is a very powerful scent that lingers. It lingers in the air, on your skin, on your clothes. It's beautiful and gorgeous for slightly cooler weather as well. It's perfect. Matiere, Premiers, Santal, Austral. This fragrance could have actually even come in at number 1, but I had to make a decision and it's coming at number 2 in the beast mode list. Thomas Kosmala Apres l'amour, number 4. Beast mode to another level. This is such a powerful fragrance, and I have to say it does give Baccarat Rouge vibes big time. It's so similar, but it's more musky and it's a little bit fresher, but it's so similar. But I actually prefer this to Baccarat Rouge. Honestly, this is the one. This definitely smells a lot better on skin than paper. The paper does not do this justice. This fragrance is an absolute gem. It's top notch. You have bitter orange, lemon zest in the top, and in the mid you have aromatic and fresh spicy notes. In the base you have dry wood, amber and musk, and boy oh boy, this fragrance is so powerful. It's sweet, it's a bit fresh, it has a very clean vibe, a musky vibe, but it's got that gorgeous sweetness. It's so stunning. Also, it's one of those fragrances you can wear on a daily basis. It's a great signature scent. It's good for every day if you don't know what you want to wear. Even though it's strong and it is beast mode, it has this lightness because of the freshness, the citrus notes, makes it kind of like your skin but better, but amplified by like these gorgeous notes. It lingers in the air, it lingers around you. You're gonna get compliments with this. It's absolute beast mode and it lasts forever on your clothes, on your skin. It will last you hours, 12 hours, I'm telling you. It's so powerful. And it's one of those scents that even if maybe you smell it at first, you might actually not like it, but it's a grower. It grows on you to the point where it actually starts to become a scent that you crave to smell. It's so unusual, it's so lovely, and it is a compliment magnet. Thomas Kosmala number 4 is amazing. Beast mode, performance is unreal. I love it. I'm sure you guys maybe have a slight idea about what my number 1 is, but I'm sorry, I just have to put this at number 1 because I've never known a fragrance like it, and that is the truth, the honest truth. Amouage Guidance is my number 1 for beast mode fragrances. It has to be number 1 because it is just like no other. It's so powerful. I'm just doing one spray because I'm gonna smell this in the room for the rest of the week. Wow, I love it. It is such a love, and I know this is either a love or a hate, but for me, it's a love. I don't wear it as much as I would like to, simply because it's so strong. I reach for this on very special occasions, nights out, dates, you know, any time when I want my fragrance to be noticed or complimented. Notes in this, you have pear, frankincense and hazelnut on the top. In the heart you have saffron, rose, jasmine, sambac and osmanthus, and in the base you have sandalwood, vanilla, ambergris and akigala wood. Sorry, my dog is literally barking his head off downstairs. Okay, Monty, yes, 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 yes. This is such a stunning aromatic fragrance. You have very herbaceous notes in this. It's so unique, and that is what makes this fragrance so special. There's nothing like it out there that I have personally smelled. I have to say though, if you're planning to wear this for a night out and you're planning to maybe drink a bit, get a bit tipsy, if you have hangovers, this is not the kind of fragrance you want to be smelling on a hangover, because this is like so strong. If you was to have this scent lingering on a hangover, you would never want to smell it again. It would be headache inducing, it's that powerful. But other than that, this is the most beast mode fragrance currently in my collection. I don't know if I'll ever find one as beast mode as this, but let's see. Let me know some of your beast mode fragrances in the comments. I would love to know. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I do hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you soon. Bye.